For the rest of my life, when I hear the phrase can do, I will be thinking of Denise. It's that spirit that says, I know what needs to be done, I feel strongly about it, it's important to me, and therefore I'm going to find a way.
Denise is a can-doer. I can be a can-doer too.
Can-doology is the art and science of getting the right things done despite the circumstances. Now, who does this work? Can-doers and can-doologists. Can-doers are the people with the mindset that switch quickly from negative to positive, that imagine what's possible. What can we do? Imagine that world with more can than cannot.
I love the book. I love that it's an easy read, but a deep read at the same time. Every little bit seems filled with meaning. All the stories are engaging and entertaining. You get sucked into them, and then you realize, she taught me something with that. And then we shall summarize and then get her points made and start laddering up to big points. It's really well done. Plus, it's got pictures in it. I love all the little drawings, the doodles, the graphics. It kind of makes it come alive, and it helps it stick in your brain so you remember it when you actually have to do something about it.
When I think of Denise, there are a few words that came to my mind. Genuine, glowing, generous, and she just brings that light into a room or wherever she goes. She brings this full of energy and such a positivity in life.
Can do! What matters to a can-doer? High trust, accountability, great levels of communication, collaboration, and forward movement.